Alright, so these are my new wheels for the Legacy. These are Work Emotion CR Kiwamis. Could be pronouncing that wrong. Otherwise known as also the CR Ultimates. So these are 18 by 9.5 plus 38 offset with a 5 by 100 bolt pattern for the Subaru. So these ones actually are the exact same specs as the wheels that I ran last year, which were Work D9Rs, but they were black. I thought about re-powder coating them to white, but I actually had white D9Rs on my old Mazda Speed 3, so I was like, why not change it up a little bit? And a local shop here in Edmonton called First Gear, they actually had a kind of a pretty good deal on these, so I ended up picking these up brand new. Never thought I'd buy brand new works, but they were quite actually affordable. So as you saw, installed the metal valve stems and then red flat type center cap. So yeah, so I think the setup is actually pretty nice. I was kind of on the fence about it. I originally actually wanted the T7R or the T5R. I liked the kind of simpler spoke design with the concave, but these ones are pretty concave as well too, and it's the split 5 spoke, classic design, so I don't think these were a bad choice as well. So these should be pretty solid on the car, so hopefully we'll get tires mounted and then them actually mounted on the car.